Welcome! If you're looking to update the title of a group admin in your Telegram group using the Telegram web app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Telegram has made it even easier to customize admin roles and give your group a more personal touch. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and head over to Telegram web. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, locate the group where you're the owner. Only group owners have the ability to change admin titles, so make sure you have the right permissions before moving on. Now click on the group to open it. At the top right corner of the chat window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a menu, then select Edit. This will take you to the group's settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your group. Next, look for the Administrators section and click on it. Here you'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Find the admin whose title you want to change and click on their name. This will open up their admin settings. Scroll down until you see the field labeled Custom Title. This is where you can get creative. Type in the new title you want for this admin. Whether it's Moderator, Tech Guru, or something more unique, this title will appear next to their name in the group, making their role clear to everyone. Once you've entered the new title, don't forget to click Save. Your changes will take effect immediately, and the updated title will be visible to all group members. If you ever want to update it again, just repeat these steps. That's all it takes. Changing an admin's title is a simple way to organize your group and recognize the unique contributions of your team. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with these new customization options.